All right, guys, today we're going to go through another TimberTech collection. This TimberTech collection is actually composite, it's not PVC. So if you're in the market for a composite deck from TimberTech, this is a good option for you. And we're going to go through some benefits of this option compared to some other TimberTech options. So today we're shipping out this Prime Plus job. So there's 3 colors in the Prime Plus collection. Let's go through the colors of the Prime Plus. The first option is what we're shipping out. This is called dark cocoa. So the dark cocoa, you can see is a very dark brown. So if you want a dark brown composite deck, the dark cocoa in the Prime Plus collection in TimberTech is a good option. The second color of the Prime Plus collection is sea salt gray. Sea salt gray is like a kind of very neutral gray. It's kind of light. So if you want a light gray composite deck, the sea salt gray is a good option in the Prime Plus collection. And then third option there is a tan. It's a tan color. It's called coconut husk. So if you want a tan color that's going to be lighter than the dark cocoa, the coconut husk is a good option in the Prime Plus collection of TimberTech. This is all TimberTech composite decking, not PVC composite. So, but now let's do a little bit of a color comparison here, because Prime Plus and Legacy are 2 options that TimberTech offers in the composite decking. So the Prime Plus and the Legacy are both composite. They're both TimberTech, but the cost savings is about half. So if you want a budget deck, if you want to save some money, the Prime Plus collection in TimberTech is about half the cost of Legacy collection, and from the surface they look pretty similar. So if you want to achieve the look of the higher end, the Legacy collection is actually the top end of what TimberTech offers. The most expensive, the highest price point for a TimberTech composite deck. So you can see right here, the mocha and the dark cocoa are almost identical. So here we go, the mocha and the dark cocoa. As I said, that's Legacy compared to Prime Plus, almost dead on as far as the looks. And here we go, that's sea salt gray in the Prime collection compared to the ashwood. You can see there, I mean, the color hue is a little bit different, but I mean, for half off, it's pretty spot on. And then last but not least here, this is the coconut husk, and that's compared to the pecan of the Legacy collection. So you can see the Prime Plus compared to the Legacy. I mean, from the surface, the same sort of grain, the faux grain pattern, the colors, even that kind of gray, that darker streaking through it, I mean, it's almost spot on. So like I said, if you're on a budget and you want to do a new deck and you want to save some money, the Prime Plus collection in the TimberTech composite, that's the way to go. Buy from AdvantageLumber.com. This is actually a local pickup, so just remember, you can order from us. You can pick it up if you're local to one of our shops, or we can ship it right to you. It shows up to your job site. You never have to leave, so it just shows up. You're ready to go.